Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the area, gently cleanse and apply a lightweight eye moisturizer so product sits smoothly. Next, assess your undertone. Peaky to orange neutralizes blue/purple under eyes, while deeper orange handles very dark circles. Use a small amount. Dot the corrector in a thin layer where shadow shows. Once done, lightly pat, not rub, with a fingertip or sponge to blend edges. This step sets the foundation so color cancels. Without cakiness, you now apply the orange corrector precisely where darkness is strongest. Dot a half pea size across both under eye triangles, avoiding the orbital bone. Then, make small tapping motions with a damp sponge or your ring finger. This preserves coverage without moving product. Blend outward and upward into the cheek, but leave the central lid area lighter so concealer brightens later. Because orange cancels blue, careful blending prevents orange cast. Let it set for a few seconds before topping with concealer. You finish by applying a thin layer of concealer, one shade lighter over the corrector, patting gently to preserve color correction. Then set with a light dusting of translucent powder to prevent creasing and extend wear. If you see an orange tint after concealer, don't scrub. Apply a tiny additional concealer dot and press to blend, then reset. For creasing, add a touch more moisturizer to the sponge and repat the area to smooth texture before reapplying powder.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.